Hi children, welcome back to EVS class. Children, in this class I am going to teach you our universe. Okay? Children, look at here. This is a picture of the earth. Children, the earth is a planet. We live on it. The earth is round in shape. Okay? Children, can you see this picture? This is a picture of the sun. Children, at what time you can see the sun? Yes, in daytime, right? Children, all animals and plants cannot live without the heat and light of the sun. Children, the sun is a very big and large in size, okay? Children, the sun is very far away from us. Children, far away means dura, okay? Children, so it looks small. The sun gives us heat and light. Children, move on to next one. Look at this picture. This is a picture of the moon, right? Children, have you people seen moon? Yes, moon, it is bright and white in color, right? Children, we can see the moon at night, right? Children, why it is bright and white in color? Because it gets light from the sun, right? Children, does the moon looks every time round in shape? No, the moon always change its shape, right? We see the stars in the sky at night. The stars twinkle high in the sky. Stars are very far away from us. Children, far away means dura. They are very big. Some of them are bigger than the sun. Okay? Children, look at here. This is the shape of full moon. Okay? This is called full moon. Children, can you see here? The moon always change its shape, right? Like this, and like this. Children, look at here. This is full moon, okay? This is called full moon. Children, open your Get Together Semester 2 book, page number 104, okay? 104. Children, say everyone, our universe, okay? Children, look at here. This is the earth, right? Children, say everyone, the earth is a planet. We live on it, okay? Say once again, the earth is a planet. We live on it. Children, look at here. This is the sun, right? So everyone, the sun shines during the day. It gives us heat and light. Okay? Say once again. The sun shines during the day. It gives us heat and light. Then, children, look at here. This is the moon. Okay? And these are stars. Can you see here? Stars. Okay? Children, say everyone, we see the moon and stars at night. The stars twinkle high in the sky. Okay? Say once again, we see the moon and stars at night. The stars twinkle high in the sky. Then, on to next one. Children, it has been given here activity, that is say who am I, okay? Children, first one, I give you light and heat. Children, look at here, what is this? This is the sun, right? Children, the sun gives us light and heat, right? That's why we should write here the spelling of sun, okay? Write capital S, small u, small n, okay? S-U-N, sun. Children, move on to next one. I change my shape. Children, can you see here? This is the moon, right? Children, we can't see always same moon, okay? Because the moon always change its shape, right? Children, right here, capital M, small o, small n, okay? M-O-O-N, moon, okay? Then we see me twinkling in the sky. Can you see here what is this? Star, right? The stars twinkle high in the sky, right? Children, right here capital S, small t, small a, small r, okay? S-T-A-R, star. Say once again, the sun gives us light and heat, okay? Then we see the moon at night, right? Children, want to next one? The stars twinkle high in the sky, right? Children, everyone do this work neatly and send it through WhatsApp to my number, okay? See you in the next class. Bye-bye.